Hello, good day everyone. I am Jonah Ayube, a digital marketer and also an affiliate marketer with Partner. Now, today I'm sharing with you here on how am I sure this 72 income generator will work. A program created by Toyin Omotoso. Now, if you are not sure on how this video will help you, Google about Toyin Omotoso on the internet and check reviews about 72 income generator implementation on Google and YouTube and see how many Nigerians are making money with this program. Don't miss out this in this 2021. Click on the link below to subscribe on the Partner 72 IG income generator course. Then I'm still sharing with you other similar courses that will help you make money from home as listed below. The 10x e-commerce complete masterclass, forex coaching with Michael Olatoji, work from home, how to land your first remote job and succeed at it, freelancer success guide, passive income machine masterclass. These are similar courses that can help you to work from home and generate a lot of income. So click on the links below on all these courses listed here, and it will take you down to the sales page on how to get the products. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will be sharing more of affiliate marketing and digital marketing programs on my YouTube page. Thanks for listening.